A very good morning to all of you. Welcome everyone to Rainbow School's Open House. This is Vaishnavi, grade 10. It fills me with immense pride to stand before you today as a representative of a school that not only nurtured with my own growth but also laid the foundation for many countless success stories. As a student here presently, I can confidently say that this institution not just provided me with academic excellence, but also a nurturing environment where I've grown personally and intellectually. From supportive teachers to engaging extracurricular activities, Rainbow offers a well-rounded educational experience and prepares students for success beyond classroom. As I've been a part of Rainbow School family since kindergarten, I've always had the privilege of witnessing journeys from my peers, and since childhood, I've always witnessed amazing journeys. I can confidently and boldly say that I've grown into a well-rounded person nurtured by Rainbow School, from honing my speaking skills to excelling in academics, from K-on to archery. Each movement has taught me invaluable life lessons and nurtured me into a well-rounded person. Many of my seniors walked the same halls and sat in the same classrooms as I did, have gone to achieve remarkable success in their chosen fields. From engineering to medicine, architecture to management courses, Rainbow School alumni have left an incredible mark on prestigious institutions around the world. Their accomplishment stands as a testament to their quality education and unwavering support they receive during their formative years at Rainbow School. Throughout today's event, you'll explore our campus, meet our dedicated faculty members, and learn more about the programs and resources that our school offers to ensure every student's success. Whether it's innovative curriculum or state-of-the-art facilities or the commitment to fostering a culture of inclusivity and diversity, I can confidently say that this is the perfect place for your child to thrive. Thank you for joining us today. And your presence here signifies the importance you place on your child's education. And we are honored to be part of this journey. We hope you enjoy our hospitality. Thank you.